16, classify the numbers below by placing them in the rational or irrational box. Rational, if something's ratio, you can write it as a fraction. If it's irrational, you can't. I like to think if somebody's irrational, they're crazy. They go on forever. They're decimals that go on forever. And the key is they don't repeat. So if we look at these pi, that's a crazy one. That goes on forever. It doesn't repeat. That's going to be irrational. Square root of 9, that's just 3. That's a nice number. I can write that as a fraction. Negative 5. 5 I can write as a fraction. It's 5 over 1. Negative 1.4, that's negative 1 4/10. I just said it as a fraction, so it's rational. Square root of 7, though, that's not a nice one. If you take the square root of 7, it's going to be 2 point something something. It's going to go on forever, and it doesn't repeat. Anytime you have the square root of an imperfect square, it's going to be irrational. And 1.3 repeating, well, 0.3 repeating, that's a third. That's 1 1/3. I can write it as a fraction. That would be rational.